Hello everyone, I'm Philip Duncan. Thank you for joining us. We're tracking an air pressure sandwich, which is basically spring. And I call it an air pressure sandwich because the top part has high pressure, the bottom part has low pressure, and the middle part, the filling, that's full of windy westerlies, and that's what we get in spring. So the high pressure belt up here to the north, centered over here in Australia, and lots of low pressure down in the Southern Ocean. So we've got a pretty mild Friday, a fairly mild Saturday, and an even milder Sunday. In fact, Sunday, as you'll see in a moment, several degrees above average for this time of the year. So that's as we go into the weekend. So Saturday looks like this. We've got a small area of low pressure in the Tasman, but it's stuck between these two big highs. So this is not much, and it's just going to produce a few showers, mostly here in the north. We've got windy westerlies. They'll be a little windier in the South Island. That will push temperatures up. And in fact, in both islands to the east, like Canterbury and Hawke's Bay, you could be getting very close to 20 degrees on Saturday, and in fact, I do think some of you will reach 20. Now, speaking of warmth, Sunday gets even warmer. The high is just here. We've got the west to southwest winds blowing up, but blowing up the country, that is. That sounded a little dodgy. Blowing up the country, and if you track the origins of them, you go back into Australia. So it's fairly mild as that comes on in. Showers on the west coast, there'll be one or two of them, but those winds will be mild. So look at the departure from normal as we go into Sunday. These areas here, over 8 degrees above average for this time of the year. So certainly mild. The North Island, you're in the red side over in that eastern part, 4 to 8 degrees above average for you in the east, and parts of Waikato and Northland inland as well. And even the coastal areas, right up on the Tasman, where you've got the wind blowing straight off the sea, you're still leaning 2 to 4 degrees above average. So a fairly mild Sunday is on the cards. Now next week, Monday, the last day of winter on the meteorological calendar. Another 3 weeks to go if you want to wait for the astronomical date at the spring equinox, which means that's not till the end of September. You've got to pretend that it's winter for another few more weeks. We've got northwesterly winds coming through that will push temperatures up, and that's why Monday is also quite mild. Again, we'll be seeing temperatures several degrees, maybe 8 degrees and more above average, but the rain clouds are coming in, as is a southerly as well. So behind that front, on Tuesday, the 1st of September, we've got a classic spring cold front where it's mild in front of it, a burst of showers or a very brief period of rain, and then behind it the temperatures drop. There'll be some snow flurries around the mountains and ranges, maybe even some hail showers, and then it starts to clear away because our final map for Wednesday shows the incoming high and the showers with the southeasterly winds around the top of the North Island. So you always get these cooler changes a day later than the South Island. So you've got that there, high pressure building in the Tasman, but on the other side of that high, subtropical winds are drifting back to the South Island. So next week, we'll start to warm back up again. That is all from me. Have a great weekend. For more information, please visit ruralweather.co.nz and of course our news section at weatherwatch.co.nz. We'll see you on Monday.